Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can rotate a table in Microsoft Word from horizontal to vertical. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. So I have here this table in my document. Now how we can rotate this. So you need to click on this one, the one with this plus sign symbol, or like this symbol at the left. Right click and then you have to select copy. Now once you copy that, make a right click again and select cut. Then click on insert tab at the top. Click on text box. Now choose the simple text box. Then simply drag this arrows to the space or to the size where a text box can be inserted, or I mean like where the table can be inserted. Now once done, double click, right click and then select paste, and there you go, you have just pasted the table in here. Now click on this, you need to click on this text box. You need to make a right click on it and you have to select format shape in order to remove the text box. Then click on line, click on no line. Now once done, close this. And there you go. You have just removed the text box. Now how can we rotate this one? Click again on the table. And there you will notice this small white circles surrounding the table. And you will notice this icon or this symbol, which is like a twisting circle or going into a circle or an arrow, a twisted arrow. Now in order to rotate this table, then we are going to use our cursor, put this in this twisted arrow and then move it exactly to where what we wanted. So we want a vertical one, then you're good to go. If you want a slanted one, you can simply do that. You want upside down, you can simply do that. If you want to make it back to default, you can simply do that. So it's up to you. And that's it. So as easy as that, you can rotate a table in the Microsoft Word. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.